Today I have a non-verbal logical reasoning question, and let us understand what the question is trying to ask. So the question reads that we have to find from among the following four alternatives as to how the pattern would appear when the transparent sheet is folded at the dotted line. So we have this pattern over a transparent sheet. So according to the question, this is a transparent sheet with this dotted line. We have to fold this transparent sheet from at this dotted line, and this is a pattern. So the question is asking how will the pattern appear to us, right? Now since it is a transparent sheet, that means the left end and the right end. So both the patterns present on the left side of the paper of this transparent sheet as well as the right side of the sheet, both will appear to us. Okay, both will reflect from that transparent sheet. So let us try to understand this. Now first of all, we have two different parts. So this is our left part and this is our right part. Now when we are separating the two parts, I'm getting something like this. Now over here what will happen, so when I'm actually when I'm folding the paper, so this right side, it will appear like this. Okay, when I'm folding the paper, this right end will appear like this. Now I'm going to merge the two ends, and I will get something like this. So I'll get a straight line where I have folded the sheet, and after that I'm going to get a semicircle. So both these semicircle will overlap each other because I'm folding this sheet from the middle. So both the circular ends will overlap each other. But when I'm talking about these lines, so this pattern, this specific pattern, so this will appear like this, and the pattern at the right end, this will appear something like this. So let us now try to match. So the first one and the second one, this is an absolute no, but let us look at the third and fourth. So though both of these pictures are looking quite similar, if we see at the pattern, so in the third picture, this curve is bending at the inner end, but over here it is more similar. It is actually the same picture that we have drawn. So the fourth one is the correct representation how we will get the pattern when this transparent sheet is folded. So yes, the fourth one is the correct answer for the question. So we are going to solve any such question in the same manner. So that was it for today, and thank you.